Hey, what's up guys, it's Roy here. So today I have the Spigen Rugged Armor case here for the Samsung Galaxy S23. It's going to cost you $16.99 on Amazon with Prime shipping. There is an instant 5% off that you can get at checkout. So if you're interested in this case, I will make sure to put a link down in the description. So looking at the case here, it looks like all other Rugged Armor cases, but a little bit different since it is for the Ultra. So with the back, it's this really nice TPU material, but feels fantastic in the hand. When you look at the interior, it has that very recognizable spider web pattern that's going up against your phone. Inside, it does have the air cushion technology, which are little airbags inside of the case that are going to help with drop protection when you do drop it. So let's go ahead and slap this bad boy on. So got the green S23 Ultra here. Let's start with the button side first and then just push in. And the install could not be any simpler. And there it is installed, and I really like the way that this looks. So one, I've always been a big fan of the Rugged Armor case. I just think it looks fantastic. The two-tone colors with a carbon fiber bottom here, a little pop of colors with the higher gloss blacks. Got the Spigen branding logo there with that higher gloss black as well. The camera lenses are individually cut out, so I really like that. They did go with a pill-shaped cutout for this side here, but it would have been kind of cool to see like individual little cutouts here, but it's okay because it shows a little bit of the green through, so I think that looks kind of cool. The actual lenses are recessed in very nicely, as you can see there as well, so when you do place it back down, those lenses aren't going to get scratched up. The texture of the Rugged Armor too is just really nice. Feels fantastic in the hand. The side has this ribbed pattern all up and down the whole entire side. So it helps with grip. So it gives you a little bit better grip there. We do have our power button and our volume up and down buttons here that are nicely raised as well. Going to the sides do have some reinforced corners there as well. So that's going to help with the sharpness of the Ultra since it is very squared edges. I do appreciate that. So when I'm holding it, a lot of times I hold my phone with my pinky under it if I'm like, scrolling through it. So having that bottom there like that does help not just scratch into my finger. And then we have our cutout for the USB-C charging port, speakers, and our S Pen, which is very easy to get in and out. So no issues at all there. This side, once again, that complete ribbed pattern is going to help with that grip. And then the top, we do have a circular cutout for the microphone, and that's just kind of the look with the top-down view. Looking at the front, you can see that we do have some raised lips that do go completely around the screen. It is more prominent on the forehead and chin since this display does curve just a tiny bit. So it's always going to be a little bit lesser on the sides, but that's okay. It doesn't feel terrible. It looks very slim as well when you have it on. So if I turn the screen on, that's what you can see there. And then the cutout here for the speaker up top is very slim and minimal. It does go over it a little bit as well, and that's supposed to help amplify the sound. So now let's go ahead and do the wobble test. So let's do face down first, and there is no shaking going on at all. And if we go back down, there is no shaking either, so it is completely flat. Next, let's do the clicky button test. So let's put the phone on and let's show you the volume up and down first. Okay, now let's do the power button. All right, so the buttons are extremely tactile and responsive, so they pass my clicky button test with ease. All right, so next let's test out the charging capabilities with the Qi wireless charger here. So I'm gonna slap it on, and as you can see there, guys, it is Qi wirelessly charging the device, so it is plenty thin enough to be able to do so. So no issues at all with Qi wireless charging, reverse power share, and contactless payments. So there we have it, guys. There is the Rugged Armor. So just overall first impressions and using it for about the last day, I have to say this case feels fantastic. It does add just a tiny bit of bulk to it, but it's already a big bulky phone. So you definitely want some grip added to this slippery bar soap. Now I will say though, it's not like super thick or anything like that, so it doesn't feel like it's huge or adds like a ton, but it is noticeable when you are holding it that it does add just that tiny smidgen of thickness and weight, but it's already a heavy phone once again. So I think it feels fantastic. There's no smudge issues. There's no fingerprint issues with this case on. So I really like this case. So hit that like button if you like this video. If you loved it, please subscribe, ring that notification bell for up-to-date content. So be safe, God bless. We'll see you on the next one.